already so late.
Okay, let's start. Good evening. My name is Gopalakrishnan. I am the CEO of Aegon Religare Life Insurance Company. Welcome all of you, and I thank Ravina for actually being here with us today. Thank you very much.
Almost made it.
I'll just give a quick introduction of what's the program today. What we do is something very different in the life insurance company. We engage with customers. So what we have done is we invited customers and their family members to participate in an event that we called, let us know what's the talent in your family. So it's it's like the shows that you often see. We received more than 1,100 entries from customers, including their family members, and they actually went and uploaded these videos on the micro site, and we have received more than 5,000 likes from people for these these performances. From that we shortlisted. So there are 10 customers and their families here just behind us, and today with Ravina being with us, we will be selecting from the 10 the top 3, and I'm very happy that she joined us today. Who better than Ravina to actually do this for us? And the way I grew up, I actually, when I came to Bombay in 1990, that's when I started watching Hindi movies, and 1991 was your first movie which
Yes.
got you the, I think, Lux Best New Entrant award, I think.
The Filmfare,
Yeah.
debut.
Yes.
Yeah, that was sponsored by Lux at that time. Let's not talk about brand names.
So who better than Ravina to do this program for us? With that, I stop here and leave the floor open.
So what's your talent list?
As I said, it's so we have got about 3 lakh customers. So we actually wrote to all the customers in November of 2014 and told them that if there is talent in their family, which could be singing, dancing, or some music talent within the family, we said they can shoot a video of 1 minute and then upload it either on our micro site that we created or send it to us through various means.
Insurance by winning that?
Sorry?
Do they get a free insurance by winning that?
These are all our existing customers. So normally in insurance transactions are you pay premium, this, that, and all. We said we should find interesting ways to engage with customers.
So Ravina, how do you feel on board with insurance lineups and sponsors?
Actually, I've been associated with Aegon Religare for various reasons. They're a great company. उसके अलावा आई थिंक ये बहुत ही एक नॉवल आइडिया था फॉर इंश्योरेंस कंपनी कि वो अपने जो उनके कस्टमर्स हैं, उनके जो क्लाइंट्स हैं, उनको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दें दैट दे शो केस देयर टैलेंट. नहीं तो ज़्यादातर टीवी पे लोगों को अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है और ऐसे एक एक रियलिटी बेस्ड काइंड ऑफ शो रियलिटी में नहीं बनता, सिर्फ टीवी पे या स्क्रीन पे आप देखते हैं. तो आई थिंक ये बहुत ही एक अच्छा यूनिक सा आइडिया था, और जब ये आए मेरे पास आइडिया के साथ तो मुझे बहुत ही बेहद पसंद आया. और मैं समझती हूँ कि लिटरली आम लोगों को एक मौका मिल रहा है. एक लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी जब कोई बोलते हैं तो सोचते हैं अरे बोरिंग सी फड्डी डडी सी कंपनी, बट आई थिंक व्हाट्स योर टैलेंट हैज़ ब्रॉट द पिज़्ज़ाज़ into being just not another life insurance company. So I think it's brought the glamour, it's brought the entertainment, and definitely all the clients get an opportunity to showcase their talent. Or say, I think on the whole, again, reiterate that I think it's a great idea.
So have you shot a video also for that?
Yes, I did, but not a dance video, but I did shoot a video encouraging all the clients to come forward and showcase their talent.
We've been seeing you for years. You're very, very extremely, if I may say so, talented. But keeping with the name, what's your talent? Do you have more about probably bathroom singing or something that you
Hidden talent. Even I didn't know, and even my husband didn't know that I'm going to be a great mother. I think I'm a great mother. I'm a hands-on mom, and I enjoy every minute of it. And I'm proud of it because my children are achievers in their own way. since you asked me this question, I'm going to go full on. My daughter just won the, she just got onto the honor roll of the school yesterday and got a certificate and was felicitated in front of the whole school. So it was a very, very big day for me on Friday. So my son is a champ. He gets his awards and medals in swimming and in chess. He did the under 5 national chess championships he went for. So like I said, I think that was my hidden talent, because when I got married to my husband, he thought that my talent is only looking after my dogs. He thought I'll be ignoring my children and only running after my dogs. So he was very scared initially.
So back on Bombay Velvet, how excited are you? Promos are now.
You know, I'm very excited about Bombay Velvet. लेकिन जहाँ मैं देखती हूँ तो ये अभी बोल ही देती हूँ कि अलग 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 तरीके के न्यूज़ आ रहे हैं. पिक्चर की पीआर भी मतलब शुरू नहीं हुई है एंड अलग अलग स्टोरियाँ लोग फैला रहे हैं. तो ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. मैंने वो फिल्म आई डिड इट फॉर फन. I have gone on overboard saying that I'm just doing a blink and you miss it kind of a part. It was, I've done it for fun. I just walk in and I walk out. It's literally like that.
But Ravina, before the
So-
scene,